Hi, welcome to Thuong Nguyen woodworking machine. I'm Daniel, and this is a white belt sanding machine. So what this machine does is when we have our workpiece ready to go, but the final step is to make it smooth, the surface of it. So we put it into this machine to make it smooth and make it nicer. So let's have a look at the spindle. Okay, so for this unit we only have 2 spindles. We previously have another unit with 3 spindles, with the third one being the planer spindle, but this one we only have 2. The controller panel, it is very easy to operate. We have button to turn on and off the spindle. We have button here to turn on and turn off the conveyor, and we have this controller here. This one is to adjust the thickness of the workpiece that we want to process. Very simple. Okay, so let's see how this machine functions in real time. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions about woodworking or woodworking machine, please contact us and we will give you more information for free. So thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.